Offering BOGO deals with purchases can be a compelling incentive for a customer to finalize their order, and I believe that everyone enjoys receiving something extra.
Welcome to our tutorial today. I'll show you how to create a buy one get one BOGO coupon in WooCommerce by YayPricing, allowing customers to get a free product with their purchase. Now that you installed and activated the YayPricing plugins on your WooCommerce store, let's dive deeper into its features by creating your very first coupon. But before doing this, we need to create a coupon first. Navigate to the Marketing Center. Click Coupons to access the Coupons Management area. I will name the coupon's code is Get Free Beanie for my campaigns. Then hit the Publish or Save button to activate your coupon. Back to YayPricing, it doesn't limit your creativity. You can customize the promotions you want, like buy SCXY, discount, etc. In Product Pricing tab, you can provide free items or items at a discounted rate for the same products when a customer purchases any of the products matching this rule. Feel free to name the rule as you wish. Scrolling down to the pricing tariff section, you have the options to choose how the discount is applied. You can select to discount by a percentage, a flat price, or a fixed discount amount. Tick the checkbox if you want. These options allows you to set whether the rule repeats or not. For example, consider a rule like buy two get one free. When you tick repeat, if you buy 4 items, you will get 2 free. However, if you don't tick repeat, you can only get a maximum of 1 free item, even if you buy 4 or more. In this case, I will skip it. About buy products, it gives you the flexibility to select product categories, names, variations, tag, prices, or specific products that are affected by this rule. Instead of all products, just select the category you prefer. For example, your store sells clothing and you want to clear out last season's inventory. With variation-specific rules, you can target specific size or colors for discounting, ensuring that only certain variations of a product receive the markdown. This settings sub-tab will allow you to enable or disable options, show offer descriptions in product page, show these descriptions only when conditions match, or show tooltip on cart item price to enable customers if they are getting offers. Additionally, you can schedule the promotions to manage and reduce the time frame of this offer if desired, as well as you can also define a custom usage limit, specifying the number of times customer can utilize. Move to Conditions sub-tab. This sub-tab provides a crucial feature, the ability to define conditions for applying the BOGO rule. You have the flexibility to specify whether the rule should apply to all or any of the conditions you set. Here, I will set up the conditions for apply coupons and pick the coupon I created before. Don't forget to save changes. Let's see how it works in the front end. After setting up, I will go to the shop page to test out. Select the product and add it to your cart. In checkout page, look for the field where you can enter a coupon code. If the conditions are met, you will see the discount applied to your order, providing customer with a free beanie offer. As you can see until now, you don't need to deal with codes or complex configurations to deal with dynamic product pricing. Based on your requirements and preferences, start implementing the strategies and making more conversions. Now, it's your turn to optimize your store with dynamic discounts and promotions using YayPricing.